Hello, welcome back. I remain Chue Arizikal from Ralph Creative Agency. In this session, I'm going to show you step by step on how to publish your book to Amazon. On our previous lessons, I taught you guys how to design the Amazon KDP book cover and how to format the book, also how to create Amazon KDP account. Okay, so here I will show you how to publish your book to Amazon. Alright, now what I'm going to do is to log into my KDP account. Okay, so I'll log into my KDP account, can type kdp.amazon.com. Alright, now hit on create. I have books here that are live on Amazon. You can see that books here. Okay, so I'll click on create. So with Amazon, you can publish Kindle ebook, paperback, and hardcover. But I'm going to create a Kindle ebook because that is what we are dealing with. Alright, so I'll click on create ebook. Okay, now here is where I need to enter my book title. Here is subtitle. Okay, so I'm going to enter my book title here. All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down. Okay, it says if your book is part of a series, add series details so readers can easily find the titles on a single detail page. Just scroll down, then here is where you have to enter the author name. So since you are the author and the publisher, you have to enter your name here. Okay, you have to enter your name here. You understand? So you have to enter your name here as the author. Okay, all right, now you need to scroll down again. Book description. So here is where you have to enter the description of your book. Okay, so when people read this description, they will understand what your book is all about. Okay, so you have to write a convincing description here. All right, I have mine, so let me bring my own here. Let me copy. I'll just copy, then come back here, paste it. All right, so if you have ever dreamed of earning a living as a writer, Amazon KDP is a platform for you. So this is my book description. All right, so I'm going to give some space in here. All right. Now I need to include about me, that is about the author. All right. Now I'll just type about the book. Just type about the book. Then I'm going to bold it. Then here I'll type about the author. I will also do what? Bold it. Then I'll come back here, copy about the author. Right? Then I'll copy, come back here and paste it. Let me remove the boldness from these ones. Okay. So here is let me just underline this, then underline this one too. Okay, so after that, just scroll down. Here it says publishing rights. Number one option says I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights. Yes, I own this book and I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights. So you have to check this. Alright, then this is the keywords. The keywords is what people are searching for on Amazon that will make your book to rank. For example, if they are searching how to make money with Amazon KDP, and if you include the keyword here, your book will be among the books that will pop up. Alright, so I have my keywords. Alright, so I'll go back here, copy my keywords down here. Alright, copy my keywords, then put one in, so you can enter up to 7 keywords. So I'll copy my keywords here, put them one after the other. You understand? So I have to make sure you make a proper keyword research about what people are searching for, so that it will be very easy for you to get the exact keywords people are searching for on Amazon, so that your book will be ranking. Alright, your book will start ranking. Okay, so I have to enter them here one after the other. I have to enter them. Alright, so remain one. So I'm going to enter this one. I'll copy this. Good. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is to set a category of this book. Alright, it says choose up to 2 browse categories. So I'll click here to select the categories. Okay, this book is about making money. So let me select a category here. Non-fiction. Okay, business. This advertise, this general. Okay, this one will be, let me choose advertising and promotion. You understand? So make sure you choose a category that suits your book. Alright, choose the category where your book fall under. Alright, so I'll choose I will remove one here. choose entrepreneurship. Okay, so I have selected two categories. I'm going to click on save here. So I will scroll down here that says children's book age range. So make sure you choose 18 plus, maximum 18 too. US grade range, select 12th grade. Alright, don't select the lesser grade, select 12th grade. Alright, then I am ready to release my book now. Yes, I'm ready to do that. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and continue. Now it says Kindle ebook content. Here I'm going to upload my ebook manuscript. Okay, the book I formatted, the one I showed you on my previous lesson, that is what I'm going to upload right now. So I'll click on upload ebook manuscript. So I'll click on upload ebook manuscript. I'm going to select it from my system right now. So this one, I'll click on it, then click open. It's uploading right now. Let's wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, it's now processing. You can see processing your file. Uploaded successfully, processing your file. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is to how to upload your cover book, your book cover. All right, launch cover creator. That is, if you want to use Amazon Kindle cover creator tool to create your book cover, you are free, but I prefer designing my book by myself. Okay, it says use cover creator to make your book cover, or upload a cover you already have. Yes, I have it, so I'll click here, then click upload your cover file. I'll click here, then I'll select this one, then click open. Still uploading. It says invalid dimension, minimum dimension of 1000 pixels in height and 625 pixels. All right, so it means that your book cover, the height must be 1000 pixels, while the width must be 625 pixels. Okay, I have this size. Okay, so let me re-upload it. I have this one here. Click open. It's uploading right now. Save successfully. You see, so that is the file. Let me show you one thing. If I hover on this, you see dimension 625 by 1000, while this one is 5112 by 800. This one is not supported, so this one is supported 1000 by 625. All right, so let's go back. Then it says launch preview. If you like, you can launch the preview. That is, launch preview means you want to see how the book will look like on Amazon Kindle store. All right, but I don't want to do that. I want to publish this book right now. All right, here it says ISBN is optional. Kindle ebook are not required to have an ISBN. Okay, publisher optional, leave it. So click save and continue. This book is going to be live in next 24 hours. They say that it's 72 hours, but my own will be live in next 24 hours because that is how my books used to be. All right, anytime I publish book, they will approve my book in next 24 hours. All right, okay, says Kindle ebook pricing. So this is where you have to set your price. All right, maximize my royalties with KDP select optional. With KDP select, you can reach more readers, earn more money, and maximize your sales potential. So I want to load this book to KDP Select. So I'll click here. Select the territories for which you hold distribution rights. Alright, that is the territories. All territories worldwide right. Yes. Don't select individual place, select all. Then you scroll down. Choose the location where you expect the majority of your book sales. Amazon.com. That is perfect. Select a royalty plan and set your Kindle ebook list prices below. So I'll choose 70%. Then this book, I'm selling it at $9.99. Okay, so I'll be earning $6.96. That is for 70%, while at 5% I'll be earning 3.50, but I selected 70%, so I'll be earning $6.96. Alright, now you scroll down, just scroll down. Okay, publish your Kindle ebook. So I'm going to publish this book. It says here it can take up to 72 hours for your title to be available for purchase on Amazon, but my own doesn't take 72 hours. It only takes 24 hours. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to click on publish. Done. Good. Congratulations. So here it says it can take up to 72 hours for a title to be available for purchase on Amazon. Alright, so that is it. Okay, so when this book is live, I will also show you the video. Alright, so that is how you can publish your book to Amazon. You see, he says a review. So when this book is live, it will turn to live like this one here. Okay, so this is how you can publish your book to Amazon. Remember, I remain Chiwe Arizikel from RAF Creative Agency. Thank you for taking this course. Thank you for watching all videos in this course. Thank you. Please make sure you implement after watching these videos. Thank you very much.